You won't believe what I'm about to tell you. An acorn fell on a car roof, causing the police to mistake it for a gunshot, which led them to shoot a suspect who was handcuffed and locked in the back of a car. This unusual incident happened at Fort Walton Beach on November 12th, when a woman contacted the Okaloosa County Sheriff's Office to report that her boyfriend, Marcus Jackson, had stolen her car. A police team was dispatched to the scene to take a statement from the woman. While taking her statement, the suspect appeared. The police immediately detained him for the investigation following the woman's accusations. However, things took a surprising turn when the woman told the police that he had a gun.
But yeah, he has more than one weapon, and I just wouldn't think he'd have it in my car or toting it around.
Okay.
You send me a picture of that, I'll show you again.
And to search him thoroughly, which triggered the chain of misjudgments by the police.
But I don't know what that piece is, because that's not ordinarily there.
Right. Does he have anything on the firearm, like any aftermarket
Like a silencer?
Mm-hmm.
The police asked Jackson about the stolen car's whereabouts, and his answer was surprising to everyone.
Where is her car?
At her mom's house. Let's see how far she want to take it.
The police also requested the woman to call her mother, check if the car was at their house.
I know. Can you call your mom to see if the car's there?
Yeah.
Okay.
She just called me.
Okay.
It's not at the house?
The answer was there was no car at the house, and that the mother was on her way there.
I said you have my location, right?
This, where it's the narrative, that's going to be what happened, the incident. Okay?
The police required a sworn statement from the woman.
Right?
For those who don't know, a sworn statement in American law is a document recording an individual's testimony, and the person must swear or affirm that the information in the statement is true. Jackson was then detained, searched, handcuffed, and placed in the back of Hernandez's car while the police searched for the stolen vehicle. The police guided the woman to complete the sworn statement. While the woman was preparing the statement, the police discussed the car and, based on their experience, believed it might be somewhere nearby and decided to search the area.
But mom said car is not there.
Car is not there.
Okay. Let's see if we can find it. I think I agree with you, ladies.
It's okay.
I agree that it's somewhere probably within about a mile.
At that moment, the police remembered the gun mentioned by the woman and inquired more about it.
If he had the firearm, would he leave it in your car? No?
The woman added that she had been threatened multiple times by Jackson, who owned several weapons, including a silencer, making her feel unsafe.
Right. When he sent you the picture that we're looking at that we can't figure out what it is.
I don't know what that piece is, because that's not ordinarily there.
Right. Does he have anything on the firearm, like any aftermarket?
Like a silencer?
Mm-hmm. That's what that is.
Oh my God.
Yeah, or how much you think that it would value at right now.
Later, the woman was informed that her car was found 2-3 miles away.
Okay.
They found it.
Where is it?
1656 Hunt Club over here off MLK.
Heather Glenn.
Then the unexpected happened. Gunshots were heard, and the police immediately surrounded the car where the suspect placed. The scene turned chaotic.
Okay, it's okay. What? Let's go! Where? Right there? Jesse, are you okay? Get in the house! Get in the house! Jesse! Get back! Where is he?
One officer had to crawl from the road to the back of a car to hide.
43, give me traffic. Shots fired. I got a deputy down.
Police stayed in position and reported the situation to headquarters, requesting backup to handle the unexpected situation.
Off of McLaren, we're off of McLaren, shots fired, I got a deputy down. Jesse, how are you? Jesse, how are you? Okay. 43 SO, I need EMS. I need EMS on standby. Suspect is going to be in the vehicle. Where are you hit? Where are you hit?
No!
Get back!
No!
Get back!
Anybody to do anything, please!
After a while, a patrol team was sent to the scene to assist. Upon arrival, the sheriff asked who fired the first shot, understand the initial situation.
Let's get further back. Yeah.
Do you see anything in my vest?
Or are you feeling anything? Did you feel anything?
My legs went numb when it hit me.
All right.
I don't know, my legs went numb for a second. I heard a pop come from...
Go this way. Can you move?
Yeah.
I got you, buddy.
Let's move to the perspective of the officer who fired the first shot to see what led to this decision. As the police approached the car, one of them suddenly shouted gunshots multiple times, dropped to the ground, and rolled to avoid being shot. I'm hit, the officer yelled, mistakenly thinking he had been shot. The police aimed at their patrol car and started shooting, shattering the rear window.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! What? After that! In the car! I was shot through the car! Oh!
The female officer who was taking the statement, also present at the scene, responded by firing at the car after witnessing her colleague's reaction to what she believed was a threat.
Jesse, are you okay? Get in the house! Get in the house! Jesse! Get back! Where is he? Where is he?
In the car!
Investigators concluded that Hernandez was responsible for violating the policy regarding the use of excessive force to resist, but Robert's use of deadly force was objectively reasonable. No criminal charges were brought against either officer. Officials stated, "We are grateful Mr. Jackson was not injured and have no reason to believe former Deputy Hernandez acted with malice." Although his actions were ultimately unjustified, we believe he felt his life was in danger and his response was based on the entire context surrounding this fear.
Shots fired! What? After that! In the car! I was shot through the car! Oh!
Suspect Jackson posted on Facebook, "All I could do was duck and play dead to avoid getting shot in the head. I was terrified, and all I could rely on was God. I truly believe I was traumatized for life." Jackson said he was taken to the hospital, then to the Okaloosa County Court, but was eventually released without charges. Hernandez resigned after shooting at Jackson, mistaking the sound of an Acorn hitting the car for gunshot. This situation highlights the importance of accurately verifying information before taking action, especially in potentially dangerous scenarios. Police actions must be based on reasonable standards and adhere to policies regarding the use of force. Decisions to use firearms should be carefully evaluated based on objective factors. Internal investigations and assessments of officers' actions after an incident are necessary to ensure accountability and transparency within the police force. Suspects' rights must be protected, avoiding excessive force during detention and investigation. Dramatic stories and valuable life lessons await you on our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any exciting videos.